Tap position is crucial. Make sure you're holding the card flat against the reader. Avoid angling it and ensure there's nothing obstructing the connection, like dirt or metal objects. Hold it for a solid 2 to 5 seconds until the car recognizes the card. A proper tap ensures the NFC chip can communicate effectively. Keep your Tesla app updated as your first line of defense against key card issues. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that directly address card recognition problems. These updates often include enhanced NFC stability to improve card reading reliability and auto-repair features that automatically fix common glitches. Check the Tesla app regularly for available updates and install them promptly to ensure your vehicle has the latest fixes. For example, version 2025.44 introduced a key card diagnostics tool that automatically detects and repairs card pairing issues. These software improvements have significantly reduced keycard complaints. Regular app updates are essential for maintaining reliable keycard functionality and accessing the latest Tesla improvements. If repairing your keycard, adjusting the tap position, and cleaning the NFC reader don't resolve the issue, you might be dealing with a hardware problem. This is especially common in older Model 3 vehicles manufactured before 2023. A faulty NFC reader could be the culprit, preventing the keycard from communicating properly with your vehicle. Contact Tesla service for a professional diagnosis. They can determine if the reader needs replacement. Especially if your Model 3 is still under warranty, Tesla may provide a free replacement for the faulty hardware. Tesla estimates that only 0.5% of Model 3 vehicles experience chronic keycard failures due to hardware issues. While troubleshooting keycard issues, remember that Tesla offers alternative access methods through digital keys. Your smartphone can serve as a fully functional key using the Tesla app or integrated wallet services. Phone keys work through Bluetooth Low Energy technology, allowing you to unlock and start your Model 3 without physical cards. Simply ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the Tesla app is installed and logged in. For added convenience, Tesla integrates with digital wallets like Apple Wallet and Google Pay. This allows you to store your Tesla key digitally and access it through your phone's native wallet app, providing seamless keyless entry. Tesla is shifting toward comprehensive digital ecosystems, with phone-based keys now accounting for 70% of Model 3 access interactions, according to recent reports. This reduces reliance on physical cards and enhances user convenience. Looking ahead, Tesla is developing advanced biometric authentication and fully keyless entry systems. Features like facial recognition and AI-driven diagnostics are already in testing, with potential full implementation by 2028. These advancements include Bluetooth Low Energy for automatic proximity detection and improved security through encrypted communications. While physical keycards may eventually be phased out, Tesla continues to enhance overall access reliability and user experience. Stay updated with Tesla's software releases to access new keyless features and enhance security measures. The future of Tesla Access is digital, convenient, and highly secure.